BMW R90S, a legendary sport touring icon. The BMW R90S, introduced in 1973, is one of the most iconic motorcycles in BMW's history, known for blending sporty performance with touring capability. It was BMW's first true superbike and set new standards in motorcycle design and engineering. Engine and performance. The R90S is powered by a 898cc air-cooled boxer twin engine producing 67 HP at 7,000 RPM and 76 Nm of torque at 5,500 RPM. This gave it a top speed of around 200 km/h, 124 mph, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles of its era. It features Bing 38mm carburetors, a 5-speed gearbox and a shaft drive, ensuring smooth power delivery and low maintenance. Design and innovations. The R90S was the first BMW motorcycle to feature a factory-fitted fairing, enhancing aerodynamics and rider comfort. It was also known for its distinctive two-tone paint scheme, smoke grey and Daytona orange, setting it apart from the competition. The twin-disc front brakes and rear drum brake provided excellent stopping power. Legacy and influence. The BMW R90S won multiple races, including the first-ever AMA Superbike Championship in 1976, proving its performance credentials. It remains a highly sought-after classic, admired for its timeless design, reliability, and historical significance in the evolution of sport touring motorcycles.